Today in crypto. SushiSwap, Sushi, has dropped 14% in the past 24 hours as Ethereum has slipped lower. The leading decentralized finance-focused cryptocurrency is the worst performer in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Despite the strong drop in the sushi price, the remains up over 25% in the past 7 days. This 25% performance makes it one of the better performing digital asset in the top 100, aside from coins like Aave, NXM, Ethereum, Synthetix network token, Polkadot, and Sushi traded as high as $4.15 on leading exchanges yesterday as Ethereum shot higher. The cryptocurrency was seeing large capital inflows from Bitcoin into ETH, then into these DeFi plays. Sushi's price action remains extremely volatile, swinging between key price levels one after the other. The first application for bento bots will be a lending solution that will allow users to margin trade, long or short, long-tail assets listed on SushiSwap. This is expected to be bullish for Sushi because fees from this segment of the protocol will likely accrue to holders, which should thereby increase the cryptocurrency's price. The contracts for this application are currently under audit. Sushi's rally yesterday also came as the decentralized exchange recorded all-time high volumes and total value locked. All crypto traders are intimately familiar with the risks and the volatility associated with these assets. To protect themselves from drastic price swings, they often seek refuge through stablecoins such as USDT. For periods in between trades, when funds sit unused, Synthetix will soon offer a way for these cryptos to passively generate some income as well. The official release date is on January 18, 2021. These crypto asset management products will allow users to park their crypto assets for a certain duration, providing liquidity to a Synthetix investment fund, and in return, will earn a certain percentage as interest on their deposits. With these crypto asset management solutions, users will earn some guaranteed income, without the need to trade or monitor the market. Given these advantages, such solutions are increasingly in more demand. Synthetix, the fastest crypto and futures trading platform, is announcing the launch of its own crypto asset management products. The Earn Crypto program is designed with the industry's needs in mind, offering two solutions: flexible savings account and fixed savings account. With these products, the platform joins industry giants like Binance, except it will offer much better rates for a promotional period. The platform intends to create more accounts and rates in the future as well. The first of many products to come, the flexible savings account offers a risk-free investment option capable of generating an estimated APY of 7%. This account type allows investors to deposit and withdraw their funds at any time without any penalties, thereby ensuring they always have access to liquidity if needed. Investors can deposit up to 50,000 USDT into the flexible savings account. The interest earnings are credited to the account by the end of each day. If the user wishes to continue investing, the daily interest will be added to the initial principal for compounded interest. The user can repeat this cycle as long as they want. The fixed savings account has a 1-week lockup period. This option accepts deposits ranging from 100 USDT to 50,000 USDT. It offers an estimated APY of 10%. Once funds are deposited into the fixed savings account, investors will have to wait for a minimum of 7 days before the accumulated interest will be paid out. After the completion of the lockup period, users can withdraw their deposits along with the credited interest. It also comes with an auto-renewal option for those willing to continue over a much longer period, in which case, the weekly payout would be added to the initial principal and compound interest will be calculated based on the updated amount. The crypto asset management products offered by Synthetix are risk-free and the platform guarantees returns up to 10%. By using various advanced internal investment strategies, the platform aims to maintain consistent returns. Even in the case that such strategies yield a lower percentage, the platform would still cover the loss and still pay out the promised amounts to the customers. Synthetix maintains high levels of transparency and ensures the security of all assets held on the platform with the help of real-time monitoring, regular third-party audits, and more. The company employs a variety of professional risk control mechanisms. They thoroughly test and monitor all revenue strategies to eliminate risk exposure. Major venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, also known as A16Z, is the latest crypto-related firm to oppose a recently proposed regulation in the United States. According to a blog post by A16Z general partner Kathryn Haun, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network has issued a rushed, non-vetted rule under the cloak of the holidays that violates the government's own established rulemaking procedures. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. According to a CNN business report on January 4, SkyBridge Capital has launched its Bitcoin fund with $310 million under its management. The firm had earlier submitted an application with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in late December. It was reported 2 days later that the proposed SkyBridge Bitcoin Fund LP kicked off operations with $25 million of its own capital. Judging from the new information, it appears the SkyBridge has been able to attract some external funding in just 2 weeks. Meanwhile, in an interview with CNN, Anthony Scaramucci, the firm's CEO, touted Bitcoin's scarcity. He said, "This is digital gold and it is easier to transfer. We love the scarcity of Bitcoin." He admitted that along with other prominent investors, he was a Bitcoin skeptic. However, the likes of hedge fund legend Paul Tudor helped him change his perspective. The more likely trajectory is that people can make a monumental amount of money. Bitcoin is unfettered by Federal Reserve policy or gold supply issues. There is more demand for Bitcoin now than supply. The price should go up. As per his Bitcoin fund, only individuals who qualify as accredited investors can invest in the SkyBridge Bitcoin Fund. The minimum investment has also been pegged at $50,000. The Indian government has deployed high-end technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence (AI) in its public procurement portal, GEM, to enable smooth transactions between buyers and sellers. As a result, the portal is touted to be more dynamic as the supply chain will be revamped to a safer and distributed infrastructure. Solving the procurement headache without a doubt, procurement faces numerous challenges based on the many players involved. GEM seeks to solve this stalemate by using blockchain's proof of concept to source items like drugs in bulk seamlessly. GEM CEO Tallene Kumar acknowledged that the proof of concept architecture was already being used in 2 Indian districts. He said, "A blockchain project for proof of concept for showcasing product supply chain visibility and traceability in the procurement of medicines in bulk in 2 districts of Uttar Pradesh." And by establishments under the Director General, Armed Forces Medical Services, GAFMS, is currently underway. Revamping procurement planning and surveillance by twinning blockchain's proof of concept with AI's natural language processing. The Indian government seeks to revamp procurement planning and monitoring using GEM. Kumar acknowledged, "This proof of concept exercise was undertaken to develop and demonstrate track and trace for drugs using blockchain, wherein a certain manufacturer will move the required drugs to buyer warehouses, and these drugs would subsequently be issued to associated health centers. The portal is to be used in areas such as predictive analytics, fraud and anomaly detection, market sanity, automatic tagging and text description, catalog management, and procurement planning. Artificial intelligence will also be instrumental in customer mapping and behavior prediction for optimal results." In November last year, the United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime, UNODC, advised Kenya to embrace blockchain technology to tame the primary corruption loophole of manipulating procurement systems, which was detrimental as the cost of doing business had skyrocketed in the nation. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.